Ever pondered over the workings of a resistor? Those tiny, colorful components that play a crucial role in the world of electronics? Today we dive into the fascinating world of resistors, understanding their design, function, and various types. So sit back and prepare to unravel the mysteries of how resistors work. Firstly, we must understand the fundamentals of resistance. Resistance, in the simplest terms, is the opposition to the flow of electric current. It's the reason why electrical appliances don't blow up the moment you switch them on. The unit of resistance is the ohm, named after the German physicist Georg Simon Ohm. Now let's delve into the construction of resistors. Most resistors are made of metal oxide film, metal film, or carbon film. The resistance value of a resistor depends on the type of material used, its length, and its cross-sectional area. The longer the resistor, or the smaller its cross-sectional area, the higher the resistance. Understanding resistance values is an essential part of electronics. Resistors come in a vast array of values, from a few ohms to millions of ohms. The colored bands on a resistor tell us its resistance value and tolerance. Moving on, resistors come in various types, each with its own unique characteristics. There are fixed resistors, variable resistors, and special resistors. Fixed resistors have a static resistance value, while variable resistors allow you to adjust their resistance. Special resistors, on the other hand, have specific functions not covered by the other two types. The operating principle of a resistor is relatively straightforward. When electric current flows through a resistor, it encounters resistance, which reduces the amount of current flowing through the circuit. Temperature can also affect a resistor's performance. As temperature increases, the resistance of a resistor can either increase or decrease, depending on the type of resistor. This is an important factor to consider when using resistors in various applications. Speaking of applications, resistors find use in a multitude of areas. They're used in circuits to limit current, divide voltage, and adjust signal levels. They're also used in electronic filters, power regulation, and even in the humble volume control of your stereo. Lastly, there are specialized resistors designed for specific tasks. These include power resistors, precision resistors, and surface mount resistors. Each of these has unique characteristics that make them suitable for their intended applications. In conclusion, resistors are one of the fundamental building blocks of electronics. They control the flow of current, protect delicate components, and perform a multitude of other tasks. Understanding how they work not only demystifies electronics, but also opens up a world of possibilities for the creative mind. Remember, every great invention started with a basic understanding of the components involved. So the next time you see a little resistor, remember the big role it plays in the world of electronics.